Hi everyone, this is Charlie over at Pitkin County Library. I just wanted to take a few minutes today to walk you through our website. If you are at home and taking advantage of our resources or someone has told you about our resources, I just want to make sure that you know how to navigate our website. The first step is getting there. If you open up your internet browser and type in pitcolib.org, that's pitcolib.org, you'll get to our home page. You'll see here that we have home features with different notices. This one is important, obviously. It's about our closure, so if you click here, you'll get some frequently asked questions and other information about the current library closure, as well as different community resources. If you click on the Pitkin County Library logo here, that takes you back to the home page. The two features I want to highlight today are our library collection and the download and stream area. Maybe you've seen promotions in the newspaper or on our social media about all the different ways that you can enjoy ebooks, audiobooks, music, movies, and TV shows from home. All of those options you would find here at Download and Stream. We have Acorn TV, magazines, great courses. For example, right now I'm taking a great course on how to play the piano, which is something that's new for me. We have Hoopla, IndieFlix, Canopy, Overdrive, RB Digital features magazines. So if you're missing coming into the library to read the New Yorker or People magazine, you can find those here. Any one of these, you can click More Information to learn how to access it. Some of them have startup guides, as you can see. And if we go back, I'm clicking the back button. You can also click Launch, and that will take you directly to the resource. It's important to access the resource from the library's website because that's how we link your account to the resource. As you can see here in our browser, it says pitcolib.canopy. So we're accessing the library's version of Canopy, which is how you're able to access these resources with your library card. So you need to see that pitcolib in there. And we're just using Canopy as an example. So those are our download and stream resources. I just suggest going to our homepage and playing around with these. The other thing I wanted to show you is the library collection. That includes the rest of our different databases, of which we have hundreds. Those can help you with keeping yourself entertained at home, working on projects, or doing research for school or work. We have investment information through Morningstar, Value Line, the Common Sense for Colorado program. Again, you can click more information on any of these to learn more about it, and when you're ready to use it, click Launch. Most of these require your library card number. If you don't have that on hand, please call us at 429-1900, and that's a 970 area code. So the library's phone number is 970-429-1900. Let's go back and look at the other databases that we have. We have a lot of DIY stuff, cars and small engine repair, language learning. We have Mango and Rosetta Stone. College and high school kids who are at home right now working on different projects and assignments. If you don't have access to your school library or you're looking for reliable information for that research paper, look here. We have the Britannica Encyclopedia. We have EBSCOhost, which has thousands of peer-reviewed journals and articles. If we go back to library collection, in addition to having everything categorized by subject, you can look at every database that we have by clicking A to Z and just clicking on different letters to find the different databases that we have alphabetically. One last thing, let's go to our home page. If you have looked under library collection and under download and stream and you've seen something that really caught your eye, you can click here where it says tutorials. And you'll find video tutorials on a very large selection of our different databases and resources. So if I wanted to use Hoopla to check out audiobooks while I can't go into the library right now, I could watch this video and read this information about how to download Hoopla onto my iPad. So Pitkin County Library Academy is always here for you. Our website is always here for you, and our staff is still here for you too. If you call us at 970-429-1900 or go online to pitcolib.org. Stay safe, everyone. Thanks.